This is my keyboard that I originally modded with micro USB, and if I just turn it around, you can see it also was modified to house a battery. Originally it shipped with AAA batteries, so no charging ability it had. I added it and it lasted me for 4 years, but now it doesn't work, so we are restoring that in this video, and we will be modding it along the way we go. So this is its ASMR video. So do enjoy it, and just be sure to share your experiences with me too. So here we are going to like remove the outer casing, and since I'm removing it after literally 4 years, I kind of forgot where the screws were like hidden and everything. It took me a while, so that's why you see me struggling, but I got it off finally. And here we will carefully disconnect our ribbon cable that connects our keyboard and trackpad, because the trackpad is the sole reason that I went for this keyboard at that time, and I still like it, so I like to preserve it. So now that this is out, we will just carefully place everything into a safe damaged in the process of replacing or upgrading the battery system. So now we will just important. Now that I have removed the old battery system, you can just see how rusted it was, or else at least you can see it in my shots, not here. So now that we have removed it, we will just do a markup of our So now that we have started the modification, we will go and place the leads on our battery. See here, the main thing is you have to scratch the heads of the battery before soldering. I have done that previously, that's why you see the blob of solder here. So once you scratch and make a surface area so that solder can stick, it will just stick, the wire will just attach to the solder, no problem. But be mindful when you are doing this, you are reducing the 18650's life, because 18650's hate heat, and I am dumping a ton of heat there, so it is going to reduce your life. Now that the battery leads are soldered, here I am contemplating how to like place the module. Ultimately I have decided to place the module like facing up, so that what even if the bottom part touches the water, the it doesn't like shorts everything. I will be covering that too, but for now it's that. Now that I have placed the battery, if you see, the positive lead is on the opposite facing side. Well, that's due to like a safety precaution, you can say. In the case of like something happens and the 18650 body and the charging module get shorted to each other, both are negative sides. If a module and charging cell, yeah, negative side will get shorted, so nothing will happen. If positive and negative get shorted, then we have problem. To avoid that, I just did that. Now that that's sorted, we will move on to the next step, where we are placing the module and trimming everything to make our module fit. And here the negative lead, I just shortened it so that it can fit our case properly. The important note I would like to put here is, see, use only the wire that is needed. Don't use excess wire, because that will create strain on the solders, and the solder might just come off, especially on the battery side, because you are placing solder onto a very low surface area. So that was the thing. That's why I'm trimming everything down to only the size I need, because the more the additional wire I have, the more chances of it coming off. To avoid that, just use only the needed. Well, so now the battery module is placed, and you just saw when I connected the battery, the keyboard light went up and went out. So the module is on. Now I will screw everything back, and once everything is back, we will test it. And yeah, as simple as that. So this was the video, guys. If you like the video, which I am not sure you will do, and those who have stuck till this point, yeah, thanks a lot. If you like the format of this video, or you don't like this format of this video, do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I just revived my 5 years old keyboard at this point. It's a very old keyboard, it still works. I modded it to have a 200% extra battery milliamperage. Like previously it was 150, now it's 3000, so 200 gain. And also I replaced the micro USB with type C, that has also BMS and battery protection built in, so that's a plus we have there. This was my video. If you like the content, be sure to like, share and subscribe. We will meet you in the next video. Until then, peace out.